Hello, parents, and welcome to the parent news for the week of January 20th through the 24th. Our virtual learning rock star again is Mr. Giuseppe. Giuseppe comes to class prepared, on time, and ready to learn. He gets his work turned in, studies for tests, and Giuseppe is just all around a true virtual learning rock star. So keep it up, Giuseppe. Parents, we do have a new schedule change, and this is not from Miss Cook this time. This is coming from Mrs. Sherman. So I just want to give you all a heads up. We will have a schedule change. I don't know what that will look like yet, but as soon as I get it from her, I will go ahead and make sure I get it to you guys. I do know that apps is moving to the morning between 8:30 and 9, and our math class is moving to the afternoon, but I don't yet have the final schedule from her and what that will look like. But again, as soon as I get that, I will give that to you. Our apps, please make sure your student is reading 10 minutes of Amira, 10 minutes of Dreambox, and 20 minutes of independent reading. This should be taking place daily. Some upcoming dates on January 21st. We have the 100th day of school on January 22nd. I have a faculty meeting that I have to be at that starts at around 11:30, and we were told that it will run past 12:10, 12:15-ish. So I'm thinking we will be able to start our we'll be able to start our afternoon classes at 12:30 that day. So in the morning, we'll have regular morning classes. We'll be with our regular schedule. And then that afternoon, our afternoon classes will start at 12:30. February 7th, we have clubs, and February 17th is President's Day, no school. Speaking of the 100th day of school, I sent out an email on Friday for you to look at. Please know that there are some fun activities your student can do to participate. And there is a pair of 100-day glasses that if you can print that out for your child and have them color it and put their glasses together, they can wear them to class on Tuesday. All right, last chance. Please make sure you are checking backpack for any and all NHI or missing work. No work from this past week will be accepted after 8 a.m. on Tuesday. Questions to ask your kiddo? Again, please take time this weekend to ask your student a few recap questions, and your student should know the answer to the next few questions because we've gone over these this week. In reading, our question is, how can I infer when I'm reading? And parents, the answer is right here on the screen. If your child does not know, please look back at the lesson from the 16th. That will help them to review. For math, please ask your student the following. How many pennies are going to equal $1? How many nickels can equal $1? How many dimes? And how many quarters? In math, we talked about some fun African folk tales. Not math, I think social. Did I say math? I'm sorry. In social studies, we talked about some fun African folk tales. Please ask your kiddo which one was their favorite. We had 3, and they were really good. So please ask them which one was their favorite and why. In writing, please check your student's writing notebook. Your student should be caught up by Tuesday. The dates are included in the assignment. We will be full steam ahead on Tuesday with going through our peer review with our friends. Make sure you check out the student newsletter, and I will see you all next week. I hope you have a wonderful long weekend, and I look forward to seeing my kiddos on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everyone.